Hey YouTube, today's video is about how to enable the dark mode in Windows 10. In few simple steps, let's get started.
Gain maximum knowledge by updating your message. Do that by subscribing and clicking the notification bell.
You can make the dark mode the default look of Windows 10 operating system as well as for many Windows apps. The advantage you get is that you could dim the lights in Windows 10 as well as if you want to conserve a bit of battery life or lessen the strain on your eyes. In bright environments, light mode could be easier on your eyes and make you more productive if you do like to use it even in the lighter environment. And let's hop on to the video. Okay, to get started, you need to know what's your built-in version to take more advantage of the dark mode system. To check that, what we have to do is the simple steps. Press Windows key plus R and type WinVer. Don't worry, it's in the display. And what is this is it mention your version and OS build information and gives a brief introduction about Windows 10. This would be a very helpful. Okay, when we start, we have to press the start button and it will go to the screen. From there you have to scroll down and choose settings. In settings menu you have to select personalization, and from personalization select colors and scroll down and select from custom to dark mode. Then you enable the dark mode system in your Windows 10. The advantages: you turn the design tab, refresh tab, and also your Windows File Explorer, so you can see the changes. Before it was white, now it's black. So another advantage, whatever the Chrome browser or any web browser changes to a black theme, so that gives you a main advantages to your eyes. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and I'll catch you in the next one. Consider subscribing.